Hello guys and welcome back to Excelsure Academy. So guys, it's been long time and I have not uploaded any academic related videos. I'm trying on it, trying to get back on the academic session. So till then I got very good opportunity for you guys. Like even if you have completed your graduation and post graduation, there are certain job opportunities. Like if you don't want to pursue your career in PhD or you're not interested and you want to support your family and you want to get a very good job which will also help in improving your skills, right? So such kind of job you can take it after your graduation, post graduation. Like personally I suggest that every student should complete at least post graduation, because it's very difficult to come back from the job once you join after graduation and do certain periods of job, and then you think of you should complete your post graduation. It's better that you complete your post graduation first and then you explore the job opportunities. So here I bring one of the very good opportunity, and it is especially for those students who are residing in Noida place, because it's like a work from office and opportunity. It is a paid internship. So even if you're not looking into the career right now, but you just think like some break or some kind of first step you get to understand like how the job career are, like before proceeding into the PhD life or research life. So you can have this particular step in your career growth. So you can just check this internship is there. So let me just share my screen and I'll show you what exactly it is all about. Okay, let me just share my screen. I hope it's coming. Okay, so here right now I see. I think it's getting stuck somewhere. Okay, here it is. So this is actually internship or opportunity from the Octavus Consulting company. And if you see that this is basically for the research, market research. Like, for example, I can tell you like what do you mean by market research? If the company is working on the drug, for example, so it will you are going to then search like which drug is coming in the market, when it is coming, when it got launched, what are the effects, side effects, all the details regarding that drug in the market. Okay, this is one such example. It could be about the equipments also, which is first getting launched, the first one, and then helping the company in improving the sales or pre-sales. Okay, so such kind of things are going on. So you can actually make your career in the healthcare. You can also start getting the market research, and the interest should be in the life science. So even if you are like postgraduate done in biotech, bioinformatics, irrespective of that, like if you have the understanding of little bit of bio, okay, then this platform is really good, very good opportunity it is. You can go it, and moreover, it's a paid internship. Like you are going to get paid for this, okay? And how much it is, I am not sure about it. I'll be sharing the link over here so that you can click and fill it. So make sure that your resume, your CV is ready. Let me make it clear: resume is very precise information of your educational background, whereas CV is the detailed one, okay? So usually nowadays, like people don't have the HR don't have much time to go through your CV. So what you can do it, make it a resume. It is friendly. If you need any help in the resume writing, please let me know. You can connect with me. I'll guide you. Okay. Now, what you are going to do in this particular intern opportunity is that you're going to do the primary research. As I mentioned, it means what? You're going to use the internet. Okay. You're going to get all the research related to that particular drug or equipment, whatever the company is asking you to search for. Okay. Then you're going to help your manager in collecting all the data and making it coordinated way. Okay, you're going to do the survey, data analysis, and you're going to present the you're going to make all this data, whatever you have collected in the PPT. So, what are the skills you should have? A very good communication skill, logical reasoning, whatever data is there. Can you show some relation between these two existing data? And all this thing you can do it on using the MS Excel and able to present PowerPoint presentation. So, I'm very much sure in MSc post graduation you are doing all this kind of thing. Okay, so as such high skill is not needed, only your MS office skills are only required. Now one thing is very important over here is that walk-in interviews on 22nd June. Today is 16th June. Okay, so if you're watching this, make sure that you're filling this form and going over there. Now, one more thing, it is not a remote opportunity. It is work from office opportunity. So only if you can attend an interview on 22nd June, then only please fill the form and grab this opportunity. Okay, so this is a link over here actually, and I'll be sharing the link in the description also so that you can just click it on it and you can fill the form. Okay. Before that, I suggest everyone, to keep your resume ready, handy. So till then, guys, all the best. अगर कुछ लगता है like need to prepare for your job opportunities, please let me know. We can connect over there and we can have a session like how you should be prepared for your job opportunity. Okay. So as you know, I already take the mock interviews for the PhD, integrated PhD interviews which gets conducted in at IIT and iSearch, right? So now I have started with the job opportunities also. So if you need any if you have any doubts, any requirement is there, let's get connected. And you can mail me at Excelsure Academy 1228 at gmail.com. So there we can get connected. Okay. Okay, guys. Till then, bye bye.